Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an amazing cinematic text intro using CapCut. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then start new project. Choose a black background from the CapCut library. This one. And then just adjust the durations as you like. And then add text. Then just type anything that you like. Next, just customize the font, but I recommend you using a bold font for a cinematic look, like this. And then just adjust the size to your preference. Then set the durations, like this. Next, just add animations to the text. Choose and then just search for flipping animations. This one. Set the durations, like this. To that, just export. Now just go back to your project and then remove the black background and the text clips. Then import your main video. Then import the exported text video and add it as an overlay. Like this. Then just go to Splice and choose Slide. So it will look like this. Then just go to Mask and choose Mirror. And then just adjust the mask like this. And then slide the timeline to the right up to the point where the animation finishes. In this part, now just add a keyframe, then move the timeline a bit further. Maybe in this part, then adjust the mask so it reveals the full frames like this. But don't forget adjust the feather to smooth the edge like this. Like this. And then just slide further to the right again. Add another keyframe. And at the end of the text clips, add one more keyframes again. Like this. But first I will trim the duration. Maybe like this. Add keyframes. And then reduce the opacity to 0. And then still on the overlay clips, just go to the out animations. Choose animations. And then go to out. Choose rotate out 1. And then set the durations. Maybe I want to set like this. And let's play the video. And that's it. Your amazing cinematic text intro is ready. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.